And this is important because, as Buffett says, you'll never be rich unless you can make money while you're sleeping. And that's, in essence, what you're providing here. Was Buffett a guiding light for you?
No, not so much, but but that is very true. I call them, actually, instead of miners, we call them robots without arms that are working for us. My grandfather, who's 90 years old, actually calls them chickens that lay golden eggs. So he literally calls me like once a week, hey, the chicken laid a golden egg this week, or whatever. But what's going on, cryptocurrency universe? It's the Bitcoin miner here, guys. Thank you, Bitcoin, and thank you, cryptocurrency. Here we are at a castle in Lithuania. This thing is really cool. I'm excited to be here. This is the Tunnel of Love. The Romeo and Juliet statue is back there in that corner over there, and this is what everybody's here taking pictures of and writing on the walls. Hello guys, we're up on top of a mountain in Greece. I'm not sure the name of the island, but this is absolutely gorgeous down there. Wow, this is incredible. Here we are in Santorini, Greece. Usually we see the blue roofs, but there's none of the churches I found out right in this area, and we'll see if we can find some. This place is absolutely gorgeous.
Star Wars here in the beginning of the year. That was really crazy. They changed the whole city. Like you can see the fountain here and then the main street.
Here we are in King's Landing from Game of Thrones. This is so cool to actually get to see where they film all this stuff. Alright guys, it's the final day of our cruise. So sad, but so exciting. We get to go back to Venice and check it out. We get to leave our lovely humble abode home above the lovely Star cruise ship. So thank you again for cryptocurrency. I had a blast. Give us the extra money we needed to go have a really awesome honeymoon. And talk to you guys later on. We'll see if I see anything else exciting in Venice. What's going on, guys? Here's another great image of Venice. We are in St. Mark's Square in the Basilica of St. Here we are in the Colosseum in Verona. This is a Roman-made Colosseum, which was made about 100 years AD, 100 years after Christ, which if my math is correct, that means this is about a 20,000-year-old Colosseum. And they use this for operas and stuff these days. It used to be a gladiator fighting ring. Very cool. It's a lot of history. Bye Venice, Italy down there. And then you guys can see the Dolomite Mountains in the background, which are a little dark. And then if you look way back, I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera or not, but those are the Swiss Alps. They're huge. You can see the mountains in the background. This is Manuel Antonio, Costa Rica. All right, Grandpa. Well, thanks again for joining us, telling us about your crypto mining experience. And tell us what you call them. So, what are these machines, and what do they do for you?
I call them chickens.
They're chickens, right? And what do they lay?
We wonder about every day checking if they laid an egg.
There you go, folks. These are the modern chicken and the digital eggs. Well, thanks for watching.
And thank you, Roddy. Maybe we should have a bigger computer to do more.
Oh, you ready for the next computer, huh?
Now I'm convinced, yes.
So we need to build you a new, bigger one. You only have one graphics card in this machine, so you want to do one with 6 or more?
If I can, yes.
Okay, all right.
Good idea, yeah.
Well, there you go. We'll do that for the next video. We'll get Grandpa a massive, crazy gaming machine.
Thank you.
All right. See you guys.
Thank you. Bye.
See you, Crypto World.